Navigating the challenges of business finance and accounting. Regardless of the size or industry, finance and accounting are vital functions in a business that leads to the success of it. Managing the finances of the business efficiently ensures that companies can make better informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and maintain financial stability in the long run. However, managing finance and accounting related processes can be quite challenging due to many reasons. Welcome to YouTube channel. In this video, we will delve into the major challenges faced by businesses concerning finance and accounting and explore how businesses can overcome these challenges. The challenges that a business faces concerning financial and accounting processes are caused because of numerous reasons. These factors could include changing regulations imposed by authorities, complex financial instruments, advancements made in the technological aspects related to the sector, as well as uncertainties in the global economy. Identifying the challenges faced by the business and investigating the strategies that can be utilized to overcome these obstacles are essential steps taken towards the financial stability of the business. What type of challenges causes businesses to take precautions towards maintaining finances and accounts efficiently? Let's find out. One of the significant challenges in finance and accounting is navigating regulatory compliance. Government authorities and regulatory bodies impose various laws, regulations, and reporting requirements that businesses have to adhere to. Staying up to date with these regulations and ensuring compliance that is evolving regularly can be a little difficult. Failing to comply with these regulations can end up causing severe penalties, legal issues, as well as ultimately damage to the reputation of the company. How to overcome this challenge? Businesses should establish strong internal controls. That's one way of overcoming this challenge. Investing in regulatory research and training, as well as engaging legal and accounting professionals to ensure compliance with the business. Implementing automated systems and software solutions can also lead to well-organized compliance processes. Provide real-time monitoring and reporting capabilities. Managing cash flow is also vital for any type of business for its survival and growth. Many businesses have to look toward challenges in managing their cash flow effectively due to factors such as delayed customer payments, high fixed costs, unpredictability of sales cycles, and unforeseen expenses. Insufficient cash flow management can cause issues regarding the availability of liquid assets, opportunities that are overlooked, and even bankruptcy when things are truly out of control. Overcoming this challenge can be done by businesses developing accurate cash flow forecasts, establishing direct and easily understandable payment terms with customers, settling agreeable terms with suppliers, and considering alternative financing options. These alternative financing options include lines of credit or business loans. To improve cash flow management, implementing efficient invoicing and collection processes, as well as using technology solutions for cash flow monitoring to the maximum advantage of the business, are some methods that can be used. Next in this list of challenges we have financial planning and budgeting, which are important for setting calculated goals, allocating resources, as well as evaluating the performance of the business. However, one of the challenging aspects of businesses is to develop accurate financial plans and budgets. This is due to market conditions changing all the time, uncertainty, and unpredictability of future outcomes. First and foremost, businesses should conduct in-depth market research, survey historical data, and use scenario analysis to evaluate potential risks and opportunities to overcome this challenge. Regularly reviewing and updating financial plans and budgets, monitoring key performance indicators, KPI in short, and utilizing financial planning software can enhance the accuracy and effectiveness of the process. Collaboration between finance, accounting, and other departments is also important. That way businesses can align financial plans with operational goals. Another challenge that businesses have to face is the rapid advancements in technology. They are without a doubt converting the finance and accounting landscape from what it used to be. Technology offers several benefits such as automation, improved data analysis, and efficiency. But don't forget that it also leads to challenges. Businesses must adapt to new and updated accounting software and integrate systems. Protecting sensitive financial data from cyber threats is also especially important. How to navigate this challenge? Businesses should invest in powerful accounting software and systems, train their employees sufficiently, and stay updated with technological improvements. Utilizing cloud-based solutions can result in scalability, flexibility, and more importantly, data security. Collaborating with IT professionals and implementing cybersecurity measures can secure financial information and reduce risks. Globalization has expanded business opportunities across the world without considering any boundaries. However, it also developed complications in financial management. Managing international finances means dealing with foreign currencies, exchange rate variations, tax regulations, and cultural differences. These factors can result in making it difficult for businesses to conduct international transactions. This challenge can be navigated using methods like businesses establishing relationships with international banks, engaging local accounting experts and tax advisors, and conducting research on the target markets. Implementing foreign exchange risk management strategies, using hedging instruments, and employing enterprise resource planning, commonly known as ERP systems with multi-currency capabilities, can help to navigate international financial management challenges. Controlling costs and managing expenses are fundamental functions concerning financial stability and profit-making. Some of the aspects of businesses that often face challenges are identifying cost-saving options, managing expenditures, and optimizing resource utilization. These challenges can be overcome by implementing measures for cost control such as budgeting and variance analysis. Conducting regular expense inspections, arranging favorable terms with suppliers, and implementing beneficial technologies can improve expense management. Encouraging a cost-conscious culture within the organization and training the employees on cost control strategies can also have significant results. Managing financial risks is important concerning long-term perseverance. Businesses face numerous risks such as credit risks, market risks, operational risks, and regulatory risks. Developing a strong risk management framework involves identifying risks, evaluating their possible impact, and implementing appropriate strategies to reduce them. Establishing risk management policies and procedures, monitoring risk indicators regularly, and implementing internal controls are musts for businesses. Utilizing risk management tools and techniques can help reduce financial risks. These techniques include insurance, hedging, and diversification. The interconnection between finance, accounting, and risk management departments is also important. Accurate and transparent financial reporting is essential for maintaining stakeholders' trust and regulatory compliance. Businesses often struggle with complex reporting, data integrity, and timely reporting. Businesses should establish strong financial reporting systems and procedures to overcome this challenge. Implementing accounting software with built-in reporting capabilities can impact positively. Businesses should stick to accounting standards and ensure data accuracy and integrity through regular resolutions and internal inspections. Engaging experienced accounting professionals and external auditors can further enhance transparency as well as reliability in financial reporting. Managing capital and securing acceptable funding are also challenges faced by businesses despite the stage the business is currently at. Determining the optimal capital structure, assessing funding requirements, and identifying appropriate sources of capital can be complex. Businesses should develop comprehensive capital management strategies, considering factors such as cost of capital, risk probability, and growth plans. Engaging financial advisors and exploring funding options such as equity financing, debt financing, and government grants can help meet capital needs. Effective working capital management, including inventory control, accounts receivable management, and supplier financing, is also crucial for optimizing capital utilization. Another challenge businesses face occurs at the stage of talent acquisition and retention. Attracting and retaining professionals skilled in finance and accounting are also vital. That is most impactful when it comes to maintaining strong financial management within the organization. Increasing competition, skill shortages, and evolving job market dynamics make it difficult for recruiting and retaining talent. To overcome this challenge, developing attractive compensation packages is one way to go. Providing opportunities for professional development as well as promoting a positive work culture is important when navigating this challenge. Implementing talent acquisition strategies to help identify potential candidates such as campus recruitment, networking, and partnerships with educational institutions could be excellent solutions to overcome obstacles faced when attracting and retaining professionals. Offering ongoing training and mentoring programs can result in enhancing employee retention and career progression within the organization. These are only a few challenges faced by businesses considered as a whole. Depending on the type of industry and the duration of the business can also vary the challenges faced concerning finance and accounting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel.